If you're a personal trainer or a coach in a group fitness facility and you're looking to make more money in one-on-one coaching, this video series that you're about to watch is for you. We've had people watch this series and report to us that they've made as much as $10,000 in the 7 days after watching it. That's pretty crazy, and it can be you. All you have to do is watch these videos in sequence, take the notes that are necessary, and execute on what we describe. It's totally free, there's no catch, there's no click here to buy. Enjoy. The first video that you're gonna watch in this series of 8 is how you can start to make more money in less time by working for free. Oh, touche. All right, you ready? All right, so first things first. Before we get into learning any of these movement assessments, something that you guys need to be prepared for is if this is gonna be valuable to you, any of this, you have to be ready to work for free. Are you guys prepared to work for free to get paid? Okay, good. So, what was that? Perfect. So, what I mean by that is, when I was at Equinox and they're like, hey, full-time coaches, it takes about 6 months to get to be full-time. And this is how it works. You do your floor shifts, you pick up clients on your floor shifts, and blah, 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 blah. After 6 months, you're full-time. I said, I don't have 6 months. I'd like to be full-time much faster. Is it okay with you guys if I work for free? They're like, what do you mean? I said, well, I don't want clients at 5 a.m. and I don't want clients at 9 p.m. My floor shifts are from 5 a.m. to 9 p.m. scattered throughout the week, 2 hours at a time. I can't get any kind of groove. No problem. What do you have in mind? Like, I'm going to work floor shifts during the hours when I would like to have clients. I'm going to be available when I would like to be available because it's better than going home and, you know, playing video games or jerking off and not making any money. So they said, sure, but we're not going to pay you. Like, there's going to be no pay. I said, that's fine. I just want to pick up clients. So while other coaches would get their 5 floor shifts and bitch and moan, they'd come to the gym. It's like their day to do floor shifts. They'd be like, guy didn't put his weight away. And then go over there and put the weight away. I was the guy who would go over to the towels, throw 40 towels on my shoulders, right, 20 on each, and walk around. Hi, I'm Sean. Would you like a towel? While Katie was on the elliptical. What's your name? Katie, no towel, thanks. Great, have a great day. What's your name? I go to everybody. What is your name? Would you like a towel? Would you like a cold towel with eucalyptus or a regular towel? Or nothing at all? Is there anything I can do for you? If you have any questions while you're here, my name is Sean. I'd love to help you. Going around to everybody on the floor, asking them if they need any help. Re-racking weights before somebody else has to recognize that the weights are unracked. I don't want a member to look at the weights and be like, it's in the wrong spot, and then get annoyed for a second. I want them to see me changing that without them having to worry about it, right? It makes them feel good over time. I would go up into group fitness classes when the gym was quiet, and I would ask the group fitness instructor before class started, is it okay with you if I walk around the room and help to correct form? You have 40 people, there's one of you, you're trying to move fast, they're supposed to mirror you. Can I walk throughout the room and assist with form on people who are having trouble? Absolutely. Great. Built a rapport with people in that room. I would go into the physical therapy suite that they had and say, hey, I have a client who's struggling with this, this, and this. How would you guys solve for it so that physical therapy upstairs became very comfortable, that I was the guy who, if someone needed personal training, I was in there, in their ears, asking questions about how I could get better. They could trust me with their ex-patients. You follow? So 5 weeks later, I was full-time. 5 weeks. The schedule comes out. There's 4.3 weeks in a month. So the schedule hadn't even come out for the next month's floor shifts yet. Schedule comes out, and I'm on the floor shift. I have 4 floor shifts because that's what's basically expected of a coach after a month, that they'll be able to do enough sessions that they'll get rid of one of their floor shifts. Walk into my boss's office. I'm like, hey, Josh, I'm on for 4 floor shifts here. And he's like, yeah, well, you know, it's your second month. That's typically where people are at. I'm like, dude, I'm full. I'm full-time. I did 24 sessions last week. He's like, paid sessions? I'm like, yeah. He's like, let me go see that. Goes and looks in the book. He's like, oh, shit. Okay. Well, can you do the floor sessions this week and we'll figure it out? And I was like, no, because they're in the way of the sessions that I'm getting paid for that are already scheduled. But I'll stick around in between my sessions and help out on the floor. Have a great day. That's what the contract said, right? He's making more money, I'm making more money, the gym is making more money, everybody is happy. But in order to do that, I had to work 4 shifts for free. You guys follow? The fastest way for you guys to get personal training clients in this gym who want your help, is to be more available than you are only when you're in class. If you have nowhere else to be, you should be here asking whoever's running class, how can I contribute? Right? Tyler's running class, walk up to Tyler, hey, what's going on today? What is something that I could walk around the room and take out of your hair? All of a sudden, there's 2 coaches in class. It's more valuable to the gym, it's more valuable to the members, and they're building a rapport with you where they're like, oh wow, every time I would go to do a deadlift and my head was down, Katie came over and she's like, no, eyes straight ahead. She recognized this small stuff. It builds a rapport and it builds trust between you guys and the clients, who otherwise, how many classes a week do you coach?
11. 9.
Whenever. What's an average?
6.
So we're 26? 6? 32? Okay. So you guys have 48 classes a week?
52.
Okay. So, okay. So think about the amount of exposure that you guys have to each client in the gym based on the number of hours that you're here. There's 52 hours in a week and 6 of them, give or take, you guys are coaching. And they're probably not the same 6 every week. Am I right? Okay. So if you want to start to be able to build a rapport with people, you need to be here building a rapport with people, giving them value that they didn't expect. It's called the unexpected love, right? Understanding this movement assessment is a really great way to pull somebody out of something really quick. You guys are doing a strength piece or snatches or something, and they just look like a disaster, or a class just ended and their whole workout looked bad. Come over here, I want to check something out real quick. You try to touch the floor, and they're like, and they can't do it. Now you have a conversation to have and value to add to their day, as opposed to, we're going to modify that next time. How? I don't know. Why? Because it looked like crap.